Okay guys, I want to do a special video today. Check this out. Bam! Look at that. Okay, this is the Invisible Shield Ultra Clear. Now they have a lifetime warranty. Now when I say it, I really mean it. Lifetime warranty for these guys right here. Okay, this is for the Samsung Watch Active 2 44mm version. They have this for cell phones, tablets, a whole bunch of stuffs. This is really recommended. Now I had to take off my bezel, my face and all that just to show you guys. This is it right here. Bam. You see this? It's on there. Now I was going to put it on myself and all that, but I don't have steady hands to do it. So I told them to put it on for me. So you can buy it in the store. You can have them put it on for you for free because you're purchasing the item. Again, lifetime warranty. This is it on here. And look, you can barely tell it's on there. I mean, you can see it a little bit on the sides because I don't think they did it centered correctly. But it's just a little bit there. I want to show you guys it's there. But the reason why I got the Ultra Clear has like this gloss finish on it. Like a real nice gloss finish on it. It makes it look like it's glass. You know, you can't even tell it's there and has a good feel to it. And look at this. Look at this, guys. Self-healing. So if you got a scratch on it, simple. You just rub it out like this. You keep rubbing it out. I kind of like a rubber, kind of like a rubber coating, whatever. And then you kind of just rub it out, and the scratch will definitely go away. But this is a must-do for any gadget. I really would suggest Invisible Shield Ultra Clear. I got it for my cell phone. I got it for this. I got it for my tablet. I got it for a whole bunch of stuff. It never let me down. Why? Lifetime warranty.